Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up PlayStation 5 Slim Pro guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your PlayStation 5 Slim carefully. Remove all packaging materials, including the protective plastic. Place the console on a flat, stable surface. Ensure good ventilation around the console for heat dissipation. Locate the power cable included in the box. Connect one end of the power cable to the back of the console. Plug the other end of the power cable into a wall outlet. Next, find the HDMI cable in the box. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the console. Plug the other end of the HDMI cable into your TV or monitor. Now, locate your controller and USB charging cable. Connect the controller to the console using the USB cable. Press the power button on the console to turn it on. The power button is located on the front of the console. Wait for the console to boot up and display the startup screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your language. Now, connect the console to your Wi-Fi network. Choose your network from the list and enter the password. After connecting, the system will check for updates. Download and install any available updates for optimal performance. Once updates are installed, you'll reach the home screen. Configure your user profile by following the prompts. You can create a new account or log in to an existing one. Explore the PlayStation Store to download games and apps. Adjust settings like display and audio to suit your preferences. If you have a PlayStation Plus subscription, sign in to access benefits. Finally, insert a game disc if you have one or download digital games. Enjoy your PlayStation 5 Slim gaming experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.